Got my homie with me. Say what's up. This is the paint for the basement.
Okay, for the walls?
For the wall, yeah.
Okay.
Got dark gray, and this is that beautiful tile I bought.
Did you say it's marble?
It's granite.
Granite?
Yeah.
How many pieces does it come in each box?
5. We got 8 boxes. So 40.
And where's that time for?
That's for the other bathroom. That's whatever you call it. It's 14 square feet in each box. So what's that? 42 square feet? Something like that. 43, 42 square feet for upstairs.
Perfecto.
But yeah, it looks nice. I'll open it in there. Ooh, nice. It looks great.
Se llama marble, right?
Come here, Marlo. So I ended up getting this granite here from good old Marketplace. You wouldn't believe how much I got it for. Steel. A steel. Got 40 square feet for $25. Come here, little dude. Make sure ain't none of them.
3 plugs.
Oh, for the stove? Nice. Hell yeah.
Because the stove, you're gonna put the stove either here, right here, and then you can put a 18-inch cabinet, and then if they put like a blender or something, they can
That's for the microwave?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Nice. Ain't that right, Marlo? You're getting all dirty and dusty. You'll be alright. You doing enough? Why you say it for you? What you doing?
We're gonna, what do you mean?
You say you're gonna be busy.
Yeah.
Oh, talking about here?
Because you gotta bring a lot of material.
It's nothing. That's what I do. I like that shirt, man. That's good.
Oh, I
good
already
material.
ordered some for you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You say it was a medium?
Yep, medium. You can get one for the dog?
Yeah, I can make one. Make it 31.
Oh yeah, because the microwave, so there's gonna be some on each side. So,
And then just leave it to them. If they want microwave, they have to plug it in.
alright.
Jeez, 64.
They don't make those. 48 is the biggest.
Well, you could get a 44. I'm a 48.
Yeah.
And then we do the fillers in the sides.
Right. There you go. Two 4-inch fillers would be 8 inches, so 48, yeah. And then you can put the cap. Come here. Come on. Yeah, and then Marlo, get over here. I'll be back. Mimosa. It's nice out here. Oh, you got him an RV, I got 2 RVs. They're getting money. 3, 4. Beautiful. This is real nice. Real nice. What's up?
What's up?
I got some stuff so you need it.
No, está bien.
Yeah, see.
Ahorita.
Hello? Hey, I'm gonna hit you back. I'm about to grab this stuff, put it in the house. Yeah. This right here for sure.
Well, you could. Yeah, just get it.
You got Canelo or Crawford?
Who?
Canelo or Crawford?
Canelo. How about you?
Crawford! effort all day. Bet 10 push-ups.
10 push-ups.
He said, hell no.
How much you buying for?
Those? $2.
And Home Depot, they're 20 upper.
Yeah, well, that's what I paid for the ones he bought.
Like $20 a piece.
Yeah, it was like 22. Found these for $2. Habitat, all three. I'll be shopping. Oh yeah, let's check out this room over here. It's a nice room. Jerry, hey. You in the basement?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna bring the paint for the basement down there. Talking about for the floor.
I'm spraying it right now.
Oh damn, it look more blue than gray.
Yeah.
I like it though.
I'm gonna spray it now, that way tomorrow we can finish the basement and we can finish the kitchen tomorrow.
Bet. Coming along very, very nice.
And quicker.
Very nice. Kind of tall.
I know. The water tank is ready.
I see. I'm gonna go take a shower.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. I would probably want to do this one as an egress window, because if I do an egress window, I could calculate some of this as square footage if I'm not mistaken. This work? But this is where the laundry stuff is going, right?
Your water is on.
Oh, it's on?
Mm-hmm.
Ain't no leaks?
Not at all.
Oh no, it ain't.
Yes, motherfucker. Son of a bitch.
What? What happened?
There's one leak over here.
Oh.
The one that I just did.
There's water coming out of there. Oh, okay. See, I knew you could do it. You're the greatest.
Go in.
Everything, what do you call it? Capped off upstairs?
Other noises from here.
Huh?
Other noises here.
Oh,
This is the
okay.
noise. It's getting filled up.
I hear something.
No.
I don't know what that is. What's that noise? Oh, it's the air. Anywho, back to what I was saying. Yeah, there was some air or whatever noise coming out of one of them, but he twisted it, it cut off. This is where the laundry tank going, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so it can't be right there.
And you cannot do it over there because there's a driveway.
That's what I'm saying. It's driveway right here.
You cannot do it here.
So you can't do it unless, well, this window over here in the back, but That's
the side of the porch.
right. You're right. So, guess not. That would have been nice. Would have been real nice. I mean, I guess you still could do it, but you just won't be able to only use it in case of emergency. I guess that's what it's for anyway. Emergency. There's a lot of damn breakers.
Yeah.
This house ain't that big. I mean, it's big, but it ain't like this many breakers big. Wade has like half of this.
You're gonna have to call Joe for he could check all the breakers, see which one is for what, and which ones they're not working. Whatever they're not working, they just pop them out.
But anyway, how much would it be? Gotta give me a price, bro, before I can make a decision.
Like $400 or $500.
And I just gotta buy the window.
The window, and then the piece of metal goes on the.
There's one up front.
Oh yeah, and then you gotta buy the pig gravel that they put here.
Yeah, I can buy. That's $5. Whatever. It's $5 a bag. So $400. That's not bad.
I don't think they're gonna let you because they put the big truck into the back.
I'm about to go look right now, see if there's any room. I'm gonna look on both sides. Be right back. This one would be the best option. Just gonna have to move the laundry tub over. Oh wow, yeah. This ain't gonna work. That's way too close. So yeah, this would be the best option. Let me go look at the other side. This is a nice driveway. That porch is horrible. Yeah, this ain't gonna work either because of the driveway. Yeah, so this back one would be the best bet. Looking good.
Yeah.
I like it. I got one of those.
You do?
It ain't the nice one. I got mine from Harbor Freight.
Oh,
Huh?
You pay 150.
How much you pay?
This one?
Yeah.
1,500.
So why you don't use that to spray the house upstairs?
I did.
Oh, you do? I thought you rolled it on.
We do back roll.
Oh, okay.
This one?
All time.
Just the gun by itself is $700.
So all together it's like damn near 20-something hundred, 22.
If I buy everything by part, by piece, this a tip. This you call it a tip.
Right.
This is from $60 to $80.
Really? Man, so this no wonder y'all charge so much to paint.
And then this gun from here to here, $700.
Really? How long it lasts?
It depends how you treat it.
Just how you treat it. You gotta clean it after every job, right?
Every day.
Oh man. Did the paint on the main floor. Look at this. I did a purple accent wall. I didn't think it would be this purplish. I was hoping it would be a little darker, but whatever. I'll send you a picture of it.
Purplish?
It's
Didn't know that was a word.
purplish is definitely a word, bro. What you mean?
I'm just saying, I'm just curious to know, like, the last time you sent me some pictures, I noticed that you had an accent wall, and I thought that was new No, for you anyway.
Talking about the one on Wade?
Yeah, I guess so, right? But I'm like, I've seen a lot of. I'm like, look at you, man. I just wanted to applaud you for stepping outside your box. Getting little. You get design on, man.
Well, my logic was, it'll be like when people go look for houses, right? And you go look at properties, and basically all the renovated houses that people are flipping, they pretty much look the same. You know what I'm saying? White or gray cabinets. If they don't have butcher block countertops, they're gonna have the same granite countertops. And the same tile that you're gonna get from either Home Depot, Lowe's, or Menards, but usually it's Home Depot or Lowe's. So I was like, okay, one way to separate me from the rest of these people that's flipping houses is to, use colors that they usually don't use, because they all use like a light gray or a beige color or whatever, what they call it, neutral colors. And so I was like, I'm gonna do something different. That way, when you scrolling through, or when people scrolling through, looking at the houses, and they see they're gonna see a bunch of different properties that meet their criteria. Mine is gonna stand out. Like, oh shoot, that's the one with the beautiful accent wall. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Yeah, which brings to my next question. I was, I had to pick up that book. What is it? Real Estate Adventures for Kids.
Yes, sir.
Nice, little plug right there.
Nice little plug right there.
Anyway, so I was skimming through it because I haven't quite had the time to read it just yet, but I noticed that there was a fun fact, I believe, that black doors
sell for more money.
Yeah, I didn't know that, man. Where did you get that information from?
Like, it's some type of decor YouTube channel, and they also got a magazine, right? Anyway, they always giving like little, like, if you do this color, such and such a sell for more. If you do black doors on houses, they sell for more. So when I hear something, I immediately be like, yeah, that's bullshit. So I'll look it up. You know what I'm saying? And so I typed it into ChatGPT. Does black doors really sell for more money? And it gave the percentages. Now, another thing I didn't know when I was doing my research for the book is that brass doorknobs kill germs.
Glass doorknobs?
Brass doorknobs. Like brass, BRASS.
Oh, brass. I thought you said glass.
No, brass. That's a fun fact in there too. Now, I didn't know that at all. I don't think nobody knows that.
Obviously, somebody knows it. That's how you found out, right?
Well, I looked it up. I did a little research. For all my fun facts, I did research on them.